Hey, this is Jenny from Cashmerette, and today I'm going to take you through how to access all your amazing goodies in the Cashmerette Club. So, everything in Cashmerette Club lives in your member dashboard, so you need to be able to get to that anytime, and it's really easy. The first thing you can do is click on any email that we send you, and the link will take you straight to the dashboard. You might be prompted to log in, but you do that and you'll see everything. Or you can come anytime to cashmerette.com. You simply go up to the top left here in the navigation and click Cashmerette Club. And then you'll see current members on the side and a link to the club dashboard. There are also quick links to other parts of the club if you know exactly where you want to go. So you click on dashboard, and if you're not logged in, you'll get this page. Click log in, and when you do that, you'll be taken straight through to here. So when you come to the dashboard, everything that you have related to the club lives here. At the top of the page, you will see what's latest this month. So the latest pattern, the latest masterclass, the latest live event, and so on. Then there are these blocks, and these are quick links to take you to the patterns, sew-alongs, watch a masterclass, join or watch a live event, participate in the clubhouse, our forum, and get the perks you are entitled to. As you scroll down, there's more information about the patterns, and you can look at all of them. There's a section about which Cashmerette patterns mix and match, a great offer off my body model. There are also frequently asked questions. Then at the bottom, there are some sections on managing your membership. So it's just here. If you need to change your credit card or you want to make a change to your account, like canceling it, you can do it there. There's more frequently asked questions, and there's also an area where you can contact us. So to access the patterns you have in Cashmerette Club, there's a number of different ways. The first one is to come to the dashboard here and click Patterns. And that will immediately take you to this list of all the patterns. The second way is just going straight up to the top of the page and hovering over sewing patterns. And here you have lots of options. So you can opt to see all sewing patterns, whether they are club or collection, or if you click on club exclusives, it will take you to precisely the same list. If you do look at all sewing patterns, you'll be able to see which ones are club and which ones are collection. There's kind of two things. The first is it says collection here and club here. And the second is that if there is a price mentioned, that means it's an individually available collection pattern. And if it says available to download or upgrade to all access, that means that it is a club pattern. Now, if you do come to the club specific page, if you're an all access member, you are able to get unlimited access to every pattern that we've ever had. So you will see available to download under each one. If you are a monthly member, you will see available to download under the ones that you have access to and upgrade to all access for the ones that you don't already have access to. Now, you can also filter. So if you want to just see club dresses, you can filter over here by dresses, and it will now show you that. You can also toggle between seeing photos and seeing illustrations, depending on which you prefer. So if you want to download a pattern, and you can download as many as you like, as many times as you like, you come onto the pattern page. And on this page is lots and lots of information about this pattern, including the sizing, the fabric, inspiration pictures, and so on. And then you add to cart to download. So you click here, and you can add as many different patterns in the same time as you like. Then you go through checkout. Now, it's a $0 order, so it's not going to charge you anything. You are just going to check out. And then what's going to happen is that the pattern is going to be emailed to you. However, there is another way to access your patterns anytime. So once you have already downloaded your pattern, you can simply go to your account and see them all there. So I'm going to click account, and then here you see your order history, so everything you've ever ordered from Cashmerette, but you can see here, download your patterns. So you click there, and when you open it up, it will show you all the orders you've made from us, and you can download them by clicking this icon, and it will download directly to your computer. And you can do this as many times as you like. Back to the dashboard, here is where you can find the video sew-alongs that go with the patterns. So simply click on sew-alongs here, And you'll see the latest pattern sew along at the very beginning here, and then you will see all of the available club sew alongs. In addition, each sew along can also be found on the patterns page. Next, you can find the masterclasses again on the dashboard by clicking here. So you will see the latest one at the top, and then you will see all of the dozens and dozens of masterclasses split into different topics for you there. For live events, again, we're going to come back here and click live events. So for upcoming live events, you can register to join by clicking on the link at the top of the page. And when you do that, you will be sent an email from Zoom, which will have the link for you to click to join. And if you can't join live, don't worry. We record everything and you can come back and watch all of the recordings here. Then we have the Clubhouse, which is our really fun forum. So you click Clubhouse and you will be brought over here. And here you can see lots of different topics. You can click into people's and see what they've been making. You can ask and get questions answered anytime. So there's lots and lots of people all around the world in the Clubhouse all the time. And finally, there are the perks pages. So you click here depending on what level you're in, and you are able to see the discounts and the free patterns and all of the great goodies that come with your level of Cashmerette Club. So that is how you use Cashmerette Club. We've tried to make it as easy as possible, but if you ever have any problems, first, remember to log in, and secondly, you can always email us at club@cashmerette.com.